Today we are going to prepare simple yet delicious meal. Hi everyone, welcome to Soulful Sharon and welcome to my Soulful Kitchen. Today I'm just going to take 500 grams of chicken keema here and I'll be adding spice powders in it like dhania powder, jeera powder, garam masala, chili flakes and salt. Adding a handful of coriander leaves, half chopped onion, 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste, fresh cream and then grinding it well in a fine paste, and I'll be making meatballs out of it. So here you can see I've greased my hands with some oil and then making round balls, and this is how I make the koftas ready. So I'm using less oil. I'm shallow frying these koftas. If you want, you can deep fry them as well. And I'll be taking a pan here, adding some oil, placing the kofta balls into the oil and making sure it fries well both the sides. So you fry it well so that these kofta balls do not break it when you place it in the gravy. And here I'm making the gravy ready, taking 2 chopped onions, adding some ginger, garlic, 2 chilies, and we'll be adding jawatri and cashew nuts as well. Cashews give a very good flavor to the gravy. And then once it cools down, once it's cooked well and once it cools down, we'll be grinding it into a very fine paste. And once the paste is ready, I'll be taking a pan, adding 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, and so when we grind it, we'll add some coriander leaves as well. Here's the paste ready, and we'll be placing it in a pan and we'll cook it well. Now you can see it's cooked well. I'll be adding 2 spoons of fresh curd here and mixing it well until the gravy turns thick, and finally placing the kofta balls into the gravy, and this is how it looks. Mixing it well. Now on the top of it, I'll be adding some spice powders again. I'll be adding garam masala, jeera powder and dhania powder. So very less spices go into this. Adding some fresh cream as well so that it gives a nice flavor to the gravy. Here's our chicken Afghani kofta recipe ready. Now it goes along well with parathas, or you can have it along with rice as well. So I made some jeera rice here. It goes along well with rice as well. If you have loved today's recipe, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is Soulful Sharon. Do hit the like button, comment and share as well. Bye-bye.